Hello kids, in this video we will learn alphabets, capital alphabets and also small alphabets. Okay, let's start the video. A for apple. A for apple. B for ball. B for ball. C for cat. C for cat. D for duck. D for duck. E for elephant. E for elephant. F for fish. F for fish. G for grapes. G for grapes. H for horse. H for horse. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J for joker. J for joker. K for kite. K for kite. L for lime. L for lime. M for mango. M for mango. N for nest. N for nest. O for orange. O for orange. P for peacock. P for peacock. Q for queen. Q for queen. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. S for sheep. S for sheep. T for tap. T for tap. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V for violin. V for violin. W for window. W for window. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. तो ये थी अल्फ़ाबेट A to Z. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.